G'day, welcome back to another man on a bike. Learning how to wheelie. How hard can it be? This is one of those skills that I've never picked up properly. Like I've only ever been able to get the front wheel up with a wrist full of throttle or having a little kicker for the front wheel to pop her up. I've never been able to, under controlled circumstances, get the front wheel up when I wanted to. It was all a bit of luck. So today I'm going to kind of put it to the test. Is it that hard to learn in one afternoon? Now, I have just recently changed the gearing from a 1547 to a 1544. Hindsight, I probably should have done this before upping the gearing. So the type of gearing that 1544 is ideal for cruising down the road and some light single track, nothing too heavy. Now, I've watched a few tutorials. They all seem much of a muchness. Bit of throttle, pop the clutch, throw your weight back a little bit and cover the rear brake. In theory, it sounds half easy, but I've had a few goes already, and trying to sequence all of that together it's not as easy as you'd think. But with a bit of repetition, we'll get there. So let's go give it a crack. Right, so get a little bit of movement, clutch, throttle, throw my weight back. I've got to remember to make sure I cover the rear brake too. So I'm a little bit scared of overcommitting whiskey throttling out. That was better. Wasn't great, it was better. Just need a little bit more height. Gonna be a dust bottle out here soon. So I think where I'm going wrong, I'm not really throwing my weight. I'm not giving it enough revs. That was a little better. Oh, there we go. I panicked there. I lifted my foot off the peg. Might have to watch some footage back so I can actually see what I'm doing. That was better. That was better. Gotta get that timing. That was better, but I panicked. I lifted my foot off the peg. That was nice. Still a bit of a power wheelie, but that was nice. Just struggling for consistency. Nice. More of a power wheelie, but I clutched up. And that's what we're trying to do. That was better. Oh, I panicked. I got off the throttle straight away. Should have held on just a little bit longer. Have another go. Bad timing, not enough throttle. I can get the tyre off the ground half consistently. Nice. A bit more of a power wheelie, but progress. I just need consistency. Oh, I scared the willies out of myself. I lifted my feet off the pegs. That was perfect, but I scared myself. So, turns out it is a little bit harder than it looks. trying to get that consistency is incredibly hard. Because I found myself like I'd nail it, get the front wheel up, ship myself, and take my feet off the pegs. I'll back off the throttle, and I just panicked. And then because I panicked so much, it ruined my form for the next however many until I got it right again. And then I'd panic again. So nailing that consistency, not as easy as I thought it would be. From here on out, I've lost all of my remaining audio. So if you're still here watching, an overweight, middle-aged man learning to wheelie, thank you. So, can I wheelie? Yes. That's a conservative yes. Have I improved? Also yes. Am I any good? No. Am I consistent? Also no. But anyways, this is something anyone can pick up in just an hour or so. And with practice and repetition, you'll eventually get it dialed in. So thanks again for watching. Stay safe. I'll catch you on the next one.